Alright, y'all. It's early morning. I'm at the one and only, full blown, of course, about to install something very much needed for my car. I already have exhaust, waiting my downpipes still, and the only other thing I was waiting on is the intake. So that's what I'm here today for, to install.
Fuck you, I'm out.
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, only stepping for a track. Stepper, gotta step on niggas' neck. BBS, my diamonds getting all these bitches.
Got the whole thing right there. I'm low-key is trying to go full bolt-on and 85. Unless I want to keep my transmission, I probably can't go 85. So I'm gonna just go a full bolt-on for now. Once I install this intake, I'm gonna retune it so that way my car can actually use the power of the intake. For everyone that knows what I did to this car, if you know, you know. I blew this motherfucker up, but new motor's in. Whole lot faster. Can't forget goddamn track hawk. Oh man. Yeah, all I know is I can hold a record for blowing up a Trackhawk's engine. Cause man. Fitment. Can't even fit a finger in there. I seem to always be in the middle of some shit right now. I'm always in the middle of some shit. So there's a police chase right here. There's like a block away. So I'm about to be an ignorant black guy and try and give y'all some footage of it. So yeah, that's where I'm about to go to right now. I believe they're right there in the same spot. Hey, I'm not gonna lie, these new Audis look just like a yours. The Q8, I believe. Yeah, that Audi is nice. But yeah, the helicopter is circling up there somewhere, and then all the alright, this red light, perfect. Yeah, they got his ass right there, goddamn. Damn, boy. He tried to steal a damn car. God damn, boy, what the fuck is going on? I'm gonna put this on my snap. I just retuned my car because since I added the intake, I never like retuned it or messed with it because obviously I was gone. But now that I'm back, I retuned my car, and yeah, I'm about to give y'all and give me pretty much like another first drive of pretty much how the stage 2 tune works with the intake and how it feels. Because before, yeah, it was pretty aggressive, but like I never really had like fun. Plus my exhaust, I believe, was stock or something like that. It was like I had nothing. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Because I have a lot done. I have a lot more done to the car now. So yeah, let me give y'all a little rev and see if y'all could hear the intake or if I can hear my turbo more. Sound good. Alright. Felt like I was about to go die for a minute. That's the only thing I don't miss about this stage 2 tune. Sometimes after like revving or something like that, or neutral, it feels like it's gonna die, but then it starts back up. So let me go and give y'all the first try. That's my car. Oh my god, yeah, dude, I missed this. God damn, boy. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm about to be back up eating scat packs now, boy. It's a lot more aggressive, a lot more fun. Yeah, my ass over spinning. I'ma definitely need a brake kit upgrade. So if anybody want Everybody was looking. Oh, that is crazy. Yeah, let me take my ass back home. I'm gonna give y'all one more pull. I miss this a lot, boy. Damn, oh yeah. Yeah, I'm back in action. It ain't look. It ain't no Hellcat, but it's a goddamn ghost. This ghost that, oh, hey. Hey, remind me to not go back to try and do a bourbon tune again. Please, if I ever say I'm gonna take off the stage 2 tune, subscribe to me, please, cause yeah, I'm never taking this back off again unless I do like a big turbo gray or something like that, which I doubt I'll be doing. I highly doubt it. I can't go down this road. We're at a Cars and Coffee right now, and I started vlogging when everybody started leaving. So yeah, we got a front row seat of a Demon and all the Porsches. Well, Porsche already left, but I'm gonna walk around and show y'all some cars. But I think I've seen this car before. That whoop dude. Didn't see him before. But yeah. Oh shit! Well, I don't gotta move. All the cars is coming right here.
Honestly.
Yeah, I see that GTR that moved up because look at the Super. Damn. Yeah, I'm gonna stay right here. Oh, look at that Trackhawk. Fucking Trackhawk, bitch, on the Benz now. Nah, I still want a Trackhawk though, but I do want a Benz. But I'm just waiting on this Demon to leave so I can maybe go get up and show y'all some cars. But honestly, I think no, all the nice cars still here. It's just the normal cars are leaving. All the crazy, that Tesla is so crazy though. That was a 4Gs. That'd be nice. Ooh, what is that? Porsche. Come on, man, leave already. I'm waiting for you to leave. Y'all see that big ass truck over there? I could never. I could never. Literally, I could never.
How time I leave?
Oh, never. Like you can't go in any drive-through. Come on, Demon. God damn, do a burnout or something. I want to see a burnout. I think he's waiting on his friend or something like that. Oh, that GTR. Uh-oh. Alright, do something. Nah, he's not. He's not doing nothing. Okay, he's leaving now. Goddamn, get up. Get my ass up for this damn Demon. But look at this GTR though. Look at that camo. Stamp of approval. It's all of damn. Yeah, I don't know where to start at because it's a lot of cars here.
A whole lot going on.
It's a lot going on up here, but ooh, this Super is nice. Only missing a wide body. Oh, shit. I heard a little turbo. It's definitely a little toy. Oh, the carbon in front. Alright, move your Agger out the way. I want to see that Z01. God damn it. Let me see that Z01. That's what I'm here for. Damn. Pretty nice. Alright, car, you can go around me. Shit. You got the Super right here, the good old Super. Yeah, that man two-stepping crazy.
Heat off the engine.
Yeah, but peep the end. You can't even see it on camera, man. The camera won't. Damn, the camera ain't doing any justice. But damn, look at that.
Bro, look, this is your lane right here.
Oh, look at this goddamn yours. The Trackhawk's still faster, but it's still yours. But man, look at that. Camera is not doing any justice right now, at all. God damn.
Come home, guys.
You about to go home?
Yeah.
It's a nice Super.
Yeah.
Super nice. You two-step?
No, not here.
Damn.
Yeah, this is some people. They're good guys.
Yeah. They're more calm. I'm more of a calm group. I want to buy him a Super though.
Yeah, they did. 2 years ago, they did a. 2 years ago, Daily Driven Exotic did a video of my car.
Yeah.
Stadium car.
Oh shit.
Oh, really?
Yeah. 39 PSI did 1150 at the wheel, 890.
Ooh, we.
1150 at
Yeah.
the wheel? That is
That's crazy.
2.1 million views, and I'm not even a YouTube guy.
That's crazy.
So that was
11.
the first JDM car they did in there. He's the only exotic cars.
That's they all they have.
And that's Dave and Steve did it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
And after that, I thought they bought the red Super that came out.
yeah, but then
Damn.
they got rid of it.
Got rid of it, yeah.
Damn. You spin at 89. Yeah, that's definitely a fun car though. If you spin at 89 miles per hour, that's definitely a fun car.
Crazy.
My Twitter says it.
That's cool though.
That has full
definitely a
AC,
fun car.
full heat.
Oh yeah, okay. See, that's perfect then. As long as your race car has heat and shit, you cool.
All right, bro. You drive safe.
All right, thanks.
Damn. Dude, look at the tires in the back. God damn. I gotta hear this. I just got to.
I was saying, I'm like, I lost that.
Dang. Uh-oh. This is my car right here. Uh-oh. Who stole my car? Yeah. Ooh, I see. Yeah, you better get out the way. God damn.
Fuck you, fuck you, fuck you. Fuck you, I'm out. I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving niggas out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental. Had to move with the intellect. These niggas want me back in that paddy wagon, but I won't let them in, no, sir. I gotta watch my tempo. Stepper, only stepping for a check. Stepper,